financial platform known as SoFi has become increasingly popular in recent years. It provides a variety of services, including investing, refinancing student loans, and even checking and savings accounts of its own. However, is it possible for everyone to take part in this financial haven? There are certainly complexities to the answer, just like there are to many topics in finance. To further comprehend who can profit from SoFi solutions, let's investigate the eligibility conditions that the company has in place. Despite the fact that it gives priority to U.S. citizens, SoFi is not completely exclusive. The following is a breakdown. U.S. citizens and permanent residents. This group enjoys full access to SoFi's products. They can open investment accounts, refinance student loans, and utilize checking and savings features. Non-permanent residents. Things get a bit more restrictive here. SoFi currently doesn't offer investment accounts to non-permanent residents. However, there's a silver lining. If you hold a valid document proving your current immigration status, think green card, DACA, or asylum seeker documentation, you can still explore SoFi's student loan refinancing options. Why the restrictions? It's about regulations. SoFi, like any financial institution, operates within a regulatory framework. These regulations establish who can access financial products and how these products are offered. In the U.S., regulations often tie back to a Social Security number, SSN, for tax and identification purposes. Obtaining an SSN can be a complex process for non-permanent residents, making it challenging for SoFi to extend full services in this category. Looking beyond citizenship. Additional requirements. SoFi's eligibility goes beyond just citizenship. Here are some common requirements to keep in mind. Age. You must be at least 18 years old to open any SoFi account. U.S. address. SoFi requires a valid physical address within the 50 states, District of Columbia, or a valid U.S. military address, APO, FPO, DPO. Financial standing. For loan products like student loan refinancing, SoFi will assess your creditworthiness to determine eligibility and interest rates. Alternatives for non-U.S. residents. While SoFi may not be the answer for everyone, there are options. Here are some alternatives to consider. Traditional banks. Many banks offer services to non-residents, often with specific account types. Explore local banks or international institutions with a presence in your region. Investment platforms with global reach. Several online investment platforms cater to international investors. Research these options carefully, considering fees and regulations in your country. SoFi offers a compelling suite of financial tools, but eligibility hinges on factors like citizenship and residency status. U.S. citizens and permanent residents have full access, while non-permanent residents can explore student loan refinancing options. If SoFi isn't a fit, fret not. Explore traditional banks or international investment platforms to find the right financial haven for your needs. Remember, financial regulations are complex and can change. It's always wise to refer to SoFi's official website for the latest eligibility requirements. SoFi strives to be a one-stop shop for various financial needs. While not universally accessible, it caters to a significant portion of the U.S. population and offers valuable services. Understanding your eligibility status and exploring alternatives will empower you to make informed financial decisions.